Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step-by-step process how we can easily create inventory products in QuickBooks Online. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in QuickBooks, simply go to Sales, and then you're going to see Products and Services. Click on it. When you're going to do it, you want to go to the top right on New. Then you have options to go with the Inventory, Non-Inventory, Service, Bundle. I'm going to choose Inventory. And now here, let's say Name. I'm going to add a shirt. Then you need to add SKU, and you can simply also upload a photo here. So desktop, I don't know, let's go with shoes, Nike shoes, and I'm going to have a shoes as a picture here. Then I can simply choose a category. If you can't find a category here, you can simply add a new category. Voila, here we got it. Initial quantity on hand, I will go like with 25, on a date today, and reorder point can be like, let's say 10. Inventory asset account, again, you can simply choose, or you can add a new one if you want to. Then you have a description here, and you simply add a description. These are the best shoes in the world. Sales price can go 50, or just choose what kind of sales price you want. Income account, you can add a new one. Then we have a sales tax category here, taxable or none, or you can even choose a special category here. Purchasing information, these were bought, and some additional information that you need to have here, just write it. And then you're gonna see cost 25 and expense account, cost of goods sold. Again, you can add a new expense account. Preferred vendor, you can simply choose which preferred vendor you want, or you can add a new one. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So then you can go save and new, or save and close. Inventory Nike shoes saved. And then I can simply write here Nike. And voila, here we got it. Nike shoes. I can simply edit it whenever I want. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Again, always you can also add service here or non-inventory product. It's completely up to you. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any question, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.